So in last session we seen how to write skeleton Flutter application. So how to run it in the emulator. So in this session we are going to discuss more deep into this code whatever the Flutter is developed. So when you create your app, right, it given some piece of code. So we want to understand what this really means. So this Flutter also like object oriented programming. So that's why you can see there is a classes. So this classes extending some widgets, that is stateless widgets and stateful widget. So we were going to discuss what is a stateless widget and what is a stateful widget when we want to use it. So if you are familiar with any other programming language like Java, so the main method is something which will from here we are going to execute the program. So the control will comes to main method. So this control will have a app called run app. So this run app will run app, my app. So this my app is like a app which is extended by stateless widget. So this stateless widget and stateful widget have some method called build. So this will responsible for building your screen, and this build will internally having the material app. So material app is like one another widget. So it will have few attributes like a title of the app, theme. What is the theme you want to have? So this currently have we are using the primary swatch color blue and home. So this is a home. This is the theme means if you see here, this is the theme, and this is having the title Flutter demo, and this is the home page. So home page is a stateful widget. So you may get a doubt why we are using the stateful widget. So stateful widget means if you want to hold some state, right, that we have to go for the stateful widget. If you don't want to maintain any state, and if you want to build only UI, right, then you can go for the stateful widget. Here we are using the stateful widget because if you see the here, so we have a counter like a plus symbol. When you click on that one, we are incrementing the count. So we want to hold the state of this counter. So that's why we are using the stateful widget. So this home page has a title, and this is the state we are creating. So because we want to keep a state of this counter, and this extending the state, my home state, and we return one method that is void increment counter, and here we are incrementing the counter. So this is whole we are doing the scaffolding app bar. In center we are having one column. So here if you see here scaffolding, it has a app bar and it has many widgets. So here there are a lot of widgets are available. So if you go to the official document, here we can see basic widgets are text is one kind of widget. So if you want to display any text, you can go for a text, and if you want to place these widgets in a row and column, so then you can use the row and column. So this is also widget, and you can use the stack means one widget on top of another widget, like that. So container is something you have a box kind of thing, and you can hold many widgets under that. So basically the Flutter is something like the you are building whole app based on the widget. So this is all about widgets only. So how you are placing based on that one, your app look like. So here what we are doing, we have a body. This is one body, and we have center. Another again it have a child widget, that is column. So in this column we have another child, that is list of widgets, that is text, another text, and we have some floating action button, that is a plus symbol whatever we are showing. So basically this Flutter is something like in few words if you want to say, this is like everything is like a widget. So the text is one kind of widget, and row, columns, center, everything is a widget. So you have to wrap one widget and another like a child, so that what however the way you want to place it, so based on that one your screen look like. So this is all about stateless and stateful widget. So based on the requirement, you have either you have to extend the stateless widget, and if you want to hold any state of the button or state of the input field, suppose you have a login screen where you have a input field like username, password, and on click of the button you need to capture and you need to send to backend. So in that case you need to go to stateful widget. So you have a screen where you are showing some like a splash screen where you are putting some images, but you are not doing any actions. So in such cases we can go for the stateless widget. So and also you need to understand what is the column, row, container, when to use these things. So and what are the themes we have. So this is all about understanding this one. So every app will have one main method and one run app method. So this app may contain multiple scripts. You need to extend a similar way. You can call this screens from the main app. So in later sessions we are going to see how we can create a multiple screen and how to call from one screen to another screen, how to hold the state of widgets. So these we are going to discuss in next session. Thank you guys. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe for more interesting updates.